Hi, I'm making this short video to present to you our upcoming program in English speaking trainings in this 2020 actually. So the first training will start with my friend Ricky Ricky Kjeldgaard coming from Denmark to Montreal on January 16th and 17th for an amazing workshop called the 10 Mistakes You Don't Want to Make in ACT. And Ricky is an amazing trainer, an amazing clinician, a really fine supervisor, and a force of nature. And she knows what most of us know deep down, which is that we learn from our mistakes. We actually learn best from making mistakes, and having made many mistakes herself, and also I've made lots of mistakes, and having seen many of our trainees and supervisors make mistakes, she's created this workshop which is all about the mistakes that are very easy to make in ACT and how to explore them from the inside out, so you don't have to make them with your clients or make them less often, or maybe even make new mistakes. So that's a workshop from the inside out, really an experiential workshop. And we're really excited to have Ricky for 2 days in Montreal, and I hope you'll come and find out, what it is that I'm excited about, because Ricky is really one outstanding trainer. So that's the first English-speaking workshop we'll be having in 2020, and then on February the 21st, our friend Sherry Turrell is coming back for another one-day workshop on treating eating disorders with ACT and the Matrix. And Sherry is a specialist in working with adolescents and young adults with ACT, with adolescents, young adults with eating disorders, using the Matrix. She's already published one book, ACT for Adolescents, and another workbook, the teen workbook for a mindfulness and acceptance workbook for teen anxiety, I think it's called. These are very fine books, and she's going to give us one full day on how to improve your clinical interventions, helping people with eating disorders using ACT and the Matrix. So that's one day in February 21st, 2020, that also I think you won't want to miss. And then the thing that we're most excited about, of course, for 2020 is we've finally managed to have Russ Harris accept our invitation to come and train us in Canada, first for a 2-day workshop in Toronto on ACT Made Simple on July 6th and 7th, I think Monday and Tuesday, and then for another 2 days in Montreal on July 8th and 9th, so that's the Thursday and Friday. Russ is somebody that needs no introduction in the ACT world, is absolutely the most popular ACT author for self-help books, general public books. His books have been translated in dozens of languages at this point, and is also an extremely popular author for professional books, amongst which ACT Made Simple, and also Getting Unstuck in ACT, and a more recent book called ACT Questions and Answers. And so Russ shares my passion for making ACT simple. He does it in a way that's all his own, and that many clinicians the world over absolutely love. So come and discover what the fuss is all about by either coming to the Toronto workshop or the Montreal workshop. And as you know, for our workshops, we have group discounts. Groups of more than 3 get a 10% discount. If you have a very big group, you can also approach us for a bigger discount. And because we want to make our trainings available to everybody, and especially to students, we are offering this 50% discount for all students. So I hope you'll be excited by this by this program coming up. We'll also be giving a couples workshop in Ottawa, I think in June, with Catherine Palmer. The date escapes me right now, but we'll be sure to let you know in further installments of this newsletter. So of course you can find all our workshops on our website, and hoping to see you at A Future Training. Thank you very much, and see you next time.